IIIT DM Kancheepuram Recruitment 2021. Notification date, the 26th of November 2021. Important dates, date of notification released, the 26th of November 2021. Walk-in interview date, the 10th of December 2021. Total number of vacancies, 9. Vacancy details. Post name, office assistant. Number of post, 4. Qualification, graduation. Salary, 20,000 rupees per month. Vacancy details. Post name, accountant. Number of post, 1. Qualification, B.Com graduate. Salary, 30,000 rupees to 35,000 per month. Vacancy details. Post name, hostel caretaker. Number of post, 2. Qualification, graduation. Salary, 20,000 rupees per month. Vacancy details. Post name, diploma trainee. Number of post, 2. Qualification, diploma in computer engineering, IT engineering or ITI. Salary, 12,000 rupees per month. Age limit. The maximum age should be 50 years. Apply mode, walk-in. Go with the application form to Administration Section, Indian Institute of Information Technology Design and Manufacturing, Kancheepuram, Melakkottaiyur, Vandalur, Kelambakkam Road, Chennai 600127. On the 10th of December 2021. How to apply? Refer to the notification given in the description. Selection process, interview. No application fee. Job location, Kancheepuram, Tamil Nadu. If you have any doubt, please ask us at https://okexams.in. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.